Well, it's morning again. I'm on my way to work. Shouldn't be too bad of a day. I know I've got some mudding to do. I should be hearing back shortly, and by shortly I mean like this week, on if I'm gonna get the title for the Corvette, and when I'm gonna get the title for the Corvette. But I'm almost to work, so I'll see you guys afterwards. Well, I'm finally off work, on my way home, gonna have some lunch, get into some trouble, I guess. Probably just play Xbox and get on the computer and watch some YouTube videos. If I come up with any projects, you guys will see shortly. Well, it seems I left my camera in the car last night. Whoops. Thanks guys for watching, thanks for liking the videos, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you tomorrow.